This is question 58 of Civil Engineering General Aptitude section of GATE 2017 afternoon session. 4 cards lie on a table. Each card has a number printed on one side and a color on the other. The faces visible on the cards are 2, 3, red and blue. Proposition: if a card has an even value on one side, then its opposite face is red. The card which must be turned over to verify the above proposition are. So in these questions, it is given that 4 cards lie on a table and each card has a number printed on one side and a color on the other. The faces visible on the cards are 2, 3 and color red and the color blue. And a statement is given: if a card has an even value on one side, then its opposite face is red. Now we need to verify this proposition, whether this statement is correct or incorrect for this condition. So for verification of this sentence, we must need to check the even value, means the card which is having the even value. So we must check this card number 2. Since it is an even value, so we must check this card number 2 whether the opposite side is red or not. So if the opposite side is red, then we can say this is the correct statement, and if not, then we can say this statement is wrong. It means for verification of this sentence, we must need to check this card number 2. Now the another card which is having the number 3. So since it is an odd number, so no need to check this card because there is no statement given for odd number. So we need not check this card 3. Again, the another card is red. So here in this proposition, it is given that the condition is if the card has an even value on one side. It is not saying that if the face is red, then the value is even. It is saying that if a card has an even value on one side, then the opposite face is red. It means we must check only the even value. So we again need not check this red card, because if this red card has an even number or odd number on the another side, there will be no effect on this statement. Now another card, that is blue. So if this blue has there are two things which can be happened for this card. If this blue color has an even value on the another side or had odd value on the another side. So if this card has an even value on the another side, then this statement will be wrong, because it is saying if a card has an even value, then the color will be only red. So we again need to check this card blue, and we need to verify whether the another side or whether the other side is even or odd. If the other side is even, then this statement will be wrong, and if the other side will be odd for this blue card, then we can say this statement or proposition is right. So for this verification of this sentence, we must need to check card number this 2 and blue. So among this option, 2 and blue is given in option C. So option C is the correct option for this question. Thank you.